Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Crishel, and in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing my dream iPhone, which is iPhone 11.
You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Hey guys, so my face right now is so haggard. Don't mind that because I've been on my phone for the past hours because I am so amazed about this phone. So yeah, I just want to put some disclaimer. I didn't ask for an iPhone. My sister literally offered me to buy an iPhone and I was literally so shocked. It was unexpected. But yeah, if you're here for just the unboxing iPhone 11, you just forward this video into that. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys for a bit. Why did my sister bought me an iPhone 11? So the story is, me and my sister just having conversation about the video that hit 100k on my YouTube videos, like the dance cover, and she was like, film more, like do more vlogs and do more dances, and I was like, I can't right now because my phone is broken. I'm gonna show you my phone. Ouch. So here's my phone. The screen is broken and we have the SLR camera, but I can't transfer it because we don't have laptop because it's also broken. So yeah, and she was like, what phone do you want and how much is it? And I was literally so shocked. I was like, oh my god. After she said that she would buy me an iPhone 11, she was like, don't expect too much on your birthday, because if you don't know, I'm turning 18. Yes. And she was like, don't expect too much on your birthday. That's my early birthday gift. And I was like, oh my god, it's literally more than enough, sis. Like, I didn't really expect too much on my birthday, on my debut, because I know we've been really struggling financially, and we're just a broke family, you all. That's the truth. Yeah, that's the truth. I'm supposed to have this phone when I turn 18 because I plan on buying this phone on my 18th birthday for myself, because I've been saving money and I never really thought that I could have it right now. So thank you so much, Sissy. I promise to pursue my hobbies, like documenting my life, vlogging and filming, dance cover. So yeah, I am just so happy right now. Like, this phone price is not a joke for us. Like, it's literally so expensive for us because, you know, we're broke. And yeah, I'm just so happy, and the camera is so nice. I can literally just film anywhere without borrowing someone's phone, because I always borrow my friend's phone and I think they're pissed off of me. And if you're watching this, you know who you are. Thank you so much for letting me borrow your phone, and I love you so much. I really appreciate that. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much, Sister Shallow, for buying me an iPhone 11. And buying this phone takes so long. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I did wait for weeks because my family can't go anywhere because they have their own life, they're busy, and we're planning to go to Cagayan, to Power Max store, to buy an iPhone 11. But my best friend told me that there's no stock there, and luckily my best friend told me early so that we can go there and buy nothing. So yeah, luckily my best friend agreed to like pasabay an iPhone 11. I think she bought this from Manila, but I'm gonna update you guys. I'm gonna put there where did she bought it and stuff like that. So yeah, I bought this phone for 33,990, and the hand fee to my best friend is 3,000, and they did just cash in my money and pay 720 in Zyla. So yeah, that's what happened, and I still need to put some screen and case in this phone because I really need to, because you know me. I'm really grateful because I got iPhone 11 because honestly, this is the last stock that my best friend found, and luckily my best friend found it. Shout out to Maurice, the prettiest and the sexiest girl, the island girl. So yeah, thank you, Ate Maurice, for buying the phone, even though I'm so annoying when I texted you.
I got this charger. My dream phone, guys. So they did open it already because they have to check it. So yeah. Oh my god!
plastic.